Hi! In this video, we will quickly tell you about Appointlet via Setmore. Setmore Features. Take customer bookings around the clock. Showcase your services. Get seen, get booked. Show off your branding. Accept online payments. Sharing is caring. Setmore Pricing. Setmore provides 3 pricing plans. Free plan, up to 4 users. Premium, up to 2 users. $5 a month for every user. Pro, from 3 users. $5 a month for every user. Appointlet Features. Share your meeting availability with a single link. Generate a link to your scheduling page so it's easy for people to book a time with you. Manage your existing meetings. Review scheduled meetings, take internal notes, and filter through your data with ease. Require advance notice for bookings. Prevent last-minute bookings so you have enough time to prepare for each meeting. And many more. Check the link in the description. Appointlet pricing options. How much does Appointlet cost? What's the pricing structure? The Appointlet Premium plan is currently $10 a month. We also offer a 20% discount on all annual subscriptions. This brings the cost of your subscription down to $8. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more information about Appointlet and discover my business solutions for your business. Bye.